All right, today for your word study, we're going to practice two new trick words for this week. The first trick word that we're going to practice is the word people. If we write the word people, if we stretch it out, we hear E, and that's a long E sound. So we know two different patterns for long E. We know the bumblebee party, so P, E, people. People. That could be one way this we spell people. We also know about the scaredy cats. So if we do the scaredy cats, it would be people. Well, guess what? Neither one of those are the right ways to spell people. The word people is a trick word for a reason, right? The word people is right here. P-E-O-P-L-E. It doesn't really make sense. It doesn't follow any of the patterns that we've learned. So it's just a word that we need to memorize. We need to look at it, practice it, and memorize it. The next word that we're going to practice is the word month. If we stretch out the sounds, we hear month. That's the way we would spell it if it made sense, but we know that this is a trick word. Trick words don't make sense. Here's the word month. It has that tricky O in there. Some people call that a heart word and then they make this heart. Maybe I can do it for you. And then they make a heart around the letter. This isn't going to work. They put a heart around the letter. Maybe I'll just put it above it. They put a heart around the letter that doesn't make sense. So this would be the letter that does not make sense in the word month. All right. Now, if we were at school, we would use our sentence frames to move them to make a sentence. So I know that you can't actually move it on your screen, but I want you to think about what you would move when I say this sentence, okay? Here's your first sentence. Many people like the month of May. So think about what sentence frame you would start with and then how you would end it. Many people like the month of May. Hopefully, you are pointing to this sentence frame to go first. So many people like the month. Here's that trick word. Month of, I'm going to come down here, of May. What about May? What do we know about the word May? It's the name that we give a month. It needs a capital letter, so we're going to use a capital letter sentence frame. Let's move that over here. We'll move this one down. And if we're done with our sentence, what do we need to do to show that we're done with it? Put our stopper in. Oops, we're kind of going over. That's okay. So many people like the month of May. All right, now on your computer screen, I want you to find the sentence frame that would have the word people. Point to it on your screen. Hopefully you pointed to this sentence frame. Many people. What about month? Where would we put month? Maybe I could just go ahead and add that. Many people. Many people like the month. Hopefully you pointed right here to this sentence frame. Many people like the month of May. Good job. All right, remember that when you are writing sentences, to start with a capital letter, don't forget to stop it with a stopper, and then special names that we give to people, places, and things always need a capital letter also. So I'm glad you remembered that. May is the name of a month and needs to have a capital. All right, good job. Practice the word people and practice the word month. Those are trick words. Don't let them trick you.